How to download Planet Zoo in your PC. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download Planet Zoo in your PC. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply search for Planet Zoo, and there you will find your game. So after you scroll down for a bit, you'll find two options. One is the official website of Planet Zoo game. The other is Steam. So you can head over to any one of these. So I'll just accept these. And here you can see buy now. So buying this will take you to Steam as well. So as you can see the Steam logo there, or you can directly head over to Steam. So I'll just open up Steam here and head over to your search bar and search for Planet Zoo. After you search for it, you will see Planet Zoo. You will see different editions of Planet Zoo as well. Open one up and then add it to your cart. So there you can see added to cart. There is even the deluxe edition. You can download whichever you want. So I'll just add it to my cart, head over to my cart, and then continue to payment. Go through the payment method and you're good to go. And that's how you download Planet Zoo. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.